In this section, you will learn how operators work and how they are used to perform operations on values, expressions, and variables. The content covers fundamental topics such as operands, unary and binary operators, operator precedence, associativity, and short-circuit evaluation. You'll explore a wide range of operators including logical, arithmetic, relational, and assignment operators. Special topics like nullable Boolean logic, null coalescing, lambda expressions, and pattern matching are also included. Each article in this section focuses on a specific operator or concept, providing explanations, syntax, and examples to help understand how to use operators effectively in real code.